So were you one of the holdouts with the DJI Mini 3 Pro because you found it to be too expensive? Well, now you have the answer to your problem. I give you the standard Mini 3. Watch as we unbox the brand new Mini 3 drone in the Mini lineup for DJI. I also have with us here a Mini 3 Pro for comparison. Let's get started. I'm Jeff and this is Jay. Just a quick heads up, you'll want to stick around as we have an announcement for 3 giveaways that will be happening on this channel in the month of January 2023. That's right, you heard it, all happening this month. There you go. Let's start unboxing, Jay.
Okay.
You ready?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna trim just the edge here. Very sharp object. Let's see if we got, oh, there it is, man. And guess what? We're not only unboxing the Mini 3, we're unboxing a Mini 3 Fly More
Pack
Kit.
Yeah.
Pack kit. Okay,
Kit.
go ahead and peel that back. There you go. You got it.
Peel it
Okay,
up,
go ahead.
baby.
Now remember, we like to save boxes. Daddy saves boxes all the time.
Yeah.
So let's
It's
be
a
careful.
package.
All right. Now, if you've never purchased a DJI drone, this is a perfect video for you to see. In my mind, and I'm going to do a video on this, in my mind, the Mini 3 is now the new beginner drone for DJI. Oh, look at that. It's the controller.
But unfortunately, it doesn't come with the little built-in screen.
Oh, you mean the new DJI RC controller?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's our standard controller.
Unfortunately, it doesn't come with that.
Nope. That's the drone. We got all the pieces here out on the table.
Unfortunately, you're waiting for that. You may have to get the Mini 3 Pro.
See, there's a pouch inside the bag here. You're going to want to open that up. Get everything out of there. Go ahead and lay that out on the table.
Like a long time ago video, this is not popsicles.
There you go. All right, so the bag is empty. Everything's out of the bag. So obviously, we got to open up everything, right?
Yep.
What should we open up first?
The Mini 3 drone.
Hello? Yeah, I think we should.
Actually, remember, we want to be able to keep going.
Oh, that's right. We got to talk about our giveaway.
So
why don't we
not do this yet.
Okay.
We'll do this later
Okay.
at the end of the video. So keep watching.
What do we want to unbox? Oh, the remote controller. Okay, let's do that.
And the little sticks are on the bottom.
We'll show them. Go ahead, pull it open. Right here.
Where? Okay.
Both hands. Look at that. There you go, slugger. Now, this is the standard DJI RC N1 controller. It's what comes with most of the drones, especially from the Mini series.
Come right here.
Yep. Go ahead and pull those out and show them. And then we'll go over other specifics about the controller, all the different functions in a different video. But Jay's just going to show you real quick how the sticks pop out from their holding spot and go into the controller.
You just kind of use your thumb, but be careful about these little spikes.
Good job, man. You want to show it to him? Turn around and show it to him?
Ta-da!
And there you go. We'll unbag this real quick.
These aren't that much inside, but it is something that you wouldn't need.
Exactly.
Yeah, you lose this one thing.
I've seen on other
you may
YouTube
not even
channels
watch
when they pull out the instructions, they're like, oh, who reads instructions? What? Well, there you go. We did the same thing. All right, what else came in here? Ooh, you got your USB-A to USB-C. You got your USB-C to USB-C. Let's go on to the propellers. All the propellers on the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro are mounted with a screw. So you're going to want to keep and hold on to this screwdriver dearly by DJI.
Why use your own little sweet baby?
It's just a tiny screwdriver. All right. So here we go. We have a couple of our controller cables here. This is important if you have an Apple phone or an Android. Both of them are going to be compatible with the remote controller with these cables. And then obviously DJI gives you additional propellers. In the Mini 3 Fly More kit, you're going to get more propellers or blades than you would in the standard kit. Let's see, you're actually going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can actually replace all these once and half of them another time, which that's a lot of blades. Let's talk about the giveaway. Jeff Brabeck Drones Plus Tech, that's this YouTube channel that you're listening to right now, is giving away one DJI Mini 3 Pro and Mini 3 accessory. That means the accessory will fit both drones, the Pro and the standard Mini 3. Now, starting today, Sunday, January 15th, 2023, and ending on January 20th, 2023 at 11:59 p.m., you can enter to be our winner of the first drone accessory giveaway of 3 total giveaways.
3 total giveaways.
3 total giveaways. Now, the winner will be announced on Saturday, January 21st, after all the entries are ending on the 20th, in a YouTube video and a post on our community tab. So make sure that you are subscribed and notifications are turned on. What does that mean? You got to hit that bell.
Yeah, you smack that bell.
That's right. You got to turn that bell on. Now, when the first drone accessory giveaway video goes live tonight, Sunday, January 15th, the link will be provided at the end of this video. Now, instructions for entering to win will be provided, as well as the rules in the first drone giveaway video. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
Wouldn't you want to win something about a drone?
I would more likely win a $1,000 robot.
Oh my gosh, this kid.
Do that?
Let's do it. What's next? The battery, charger, the battery. You got to save the best for the last. The best is the drone itself right here.
And unfortunately, I think it only comes with one missing.
You know, that is the funny part. It's a good thing you bring that up.
Yeah.
2 of the 3 batteries are in the charger already.
Yeah.
The third battery is
in the drone.
Yeah, there you go. You got it. Give them a quick look. So this is the charger. Obviously, in a different video, we'll go over more specifics, but it has the opportunity to hold 3 batteries total. These are all going to be dead. Just so you know, fresh out of the box, you actually have to do a firmware update with your drone, and it'll also update each battery. All right, you ready for the drone?
Yeah.
The creme de la creme. Now we're actually going to... Thank you, Captain, again. And now we're actually going to be able to see, some of the physical differences between the Mini 3 Pro here, which I've had for 6 months now, compared to the standard Mini 3, which just came out a month ago in December. All right, there's the packaging. Go ahead and rip her open.
Okay, rip her open.
Show us what you got. Good job. We'll start laying everything out so we can show everyone. This is what comes in the kit. Ooh.
I know why this is there.
Look at that.
And this.
I think it was just to keep the blades in place. That is awesome. Turn it over. Whoa. You know what it's like to unbox something brand new.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and open this up.
Boring.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that different?
Yeah.
It actually has the legs just like the Mini 2. The Mini 3 Pro does not have that. And we'll show you that in a second. Show everyone. Boom. Show them up there too. Turn it up. There you go. A little bit out there. So you can hold it down there and then kind of turn it side to side. You can see it's got the marking Mini 3. Doesn't have the Pro on it. And it does have a battery inside. Okay, let's take a look at the difference here. You hold the Mini 3. Here, we'll pop off the gimbal cover. Hold it like that. And I'll put the Mini 3 Pro side by side. They almost look identical. The big difference between the Mini 3 Pro and the Mini, again, we'll go over this in another video.
Yeah.
This is really just a general unboxing. You can tell by looking, again, show the top. You can tell that you've got the sensors here, and here there's just vents. But look at that. Overall, it is the same like footprint, like the size and everything. Let's take a quick look. Okay, Captain. Jeez, Captain America. Okay, let's check it out.
Hopefully that didn't get anyone's attention.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Let's take a look. Look at that.
They would just.
They're essentially the same drone. There you go. Mini 3 Pro versus just Mini 3. The blades are the same size, everything. The other difference is the feet, right? There's no feet. You see, it's just a
That's
stub.
no feet, then that one has feet there.
Everything is out here on the table that we went over today. And again, we'll go over more specifics in detail in another video. The Standard Mini 3. Very excited to get this drone. Cannot wait to get it in the sky and flying. And don't forget, we've got our 3 giveaways happening this month of January. The first giveaway video is going to be coming out tonight. If it's out right now, you can click or tap on the link on the screen. We'll talk to you in the next video.
Goodbye.